Understanding residential property, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term residential property. It's a phrase you might come across if you're dealing with housing, be it renting an apartment or buying a house. We'll break down what it means and why it's important for you to know. So, let's dive in and make sense of this essential term together. Residential property refers to any piece of real estate that is used for living purposes. This can include houses, apartments, condos, and any other structures where people reside. The key aspect of residential property is its use. It's all about providing a home or living space for individuals and families. It's distinct from commercial or industrial property, which is used for business operations or manufacturing. There are several types of residential properties, each catering to different needs and lifestyles. Let's look at some of the most common ones. Houses, standalone structures designed for one family. They offer privacy and space but can be more expensive. Apartments, units in a building where each unit is owned or rented by different individuals. They are more affordable and often located in urban areas. Condominiums, condos, similar to apartments, but the units are owned rather than rented. Owners pay fees for maintenance and shared facilities. Townhouses, houses that share walls with other houses on one or both sides. They offer a balance between the privacy of a house and the convenience of apartment living. Understanding residential property is crucial if you're planning to rent or buy a place to live. It helps you identify the type of property that suits your needs and budget. Understand the housing market and real estate terms. Make informed decisions about where and how you want to live. We hope this video has helped clarify what residential property means and why it's an important concept in the world of housing and real estate. Whether you're looking for a new home or just curious about the term, knowing about residential property can help you navigate the housing market more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.